All right, you lot, look at these. Zero waste cooking using my partner's leftovers or scraps from making a fresh juice this morning. I was gonna make it healthy, but then I decided to top it with hemp buttercream. And then beautiful fresh hemp seeds on top. So soft. Yum! All right, legends, happy World Vegan Day. And from myself and the legends at Hemp Foods Australia, I'm bringing to you these sweet little numbers using fresh hemp, a little bit of baked hemp, and all of the delicious goodness from wasted ingredients from making your juice. Right, so if you're doing those detoxes during spring and summer and you're having those wonderful fresh juices in the morning, don't forget all this discarded stuff you can make, kind of like making a carrot cake, but turn them into muffins. Look at those, aren't they gorgeous, hey? And then you bake them away until they're really nice and fluffy. And I'm making a hemp buttercream, and that mixture is actually the juice from the juice that we made that morning. Pipe them on. Look at that pipe. Oh, you'd think I know what I'm doing. How good is that? And there you go. Sprinkle them with fresh hemp from Hemp Foods Australia and enjoy the living daylights out of them. Absolutely awesome. Make them yourself.